Welcome to a video from Plow Library. Today we'll be showing how to use the library search box to construct a search using the Boolean operator AND. AND can be used when you want to combine two words together in a search. You can take key terms from your topic or your research question and connect them with AND. Let's say that my project is about how people's car use on highways differs from their car use on surface streets. So if I wanted to search for cars and highways, this would result in books, articles, and videos that have a topic of both cars and highways. This Venn diagram illustrates how the cars circle and highways circle overlap, and those overlapping parts are the items that end up in your search results when you use AND. To construct our search, we'll start on the library's homepage, cbu.edu/library. And we'll use the library search box to construct our search. We'll type in cars and highways. Note that we're capitalizing AND. That's a good practice to have when using Boolean operators, since not all databases will allow for lowercase Boolean operators. When we click on search, we end up with some results. From here we can browse through our search results or filter further using the filters on the left side of the page. If you have any remaining questions about how to use Boolean operators while doing your library searches, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the Boolean operator AND to condense library search results.